Harshila, welcome back to my channel. You guys liked my last video so much wherein I tried the viral products for you guys, so you don't have to. Then I thought of making a part 2 for you guys. So today I have a couple of products that have been going viral. I thought might as well just sit down and talk to you guys about each of them and what do I think and if they are worth buying or no. So let's go. Okay, the very first product that I have, and I have been seeing this product quite a bit, and I think I have been speaking about it also in all of my videos or most of my videos, which is the Huda Beauty setting powder. Now this product I myself have like told you guys to buy it so many times, and it's totally worth the hype in my opinion. This is just so good. I think I'm in the this is like sugar cookie, but I think they also have banana powder, like that colored powder, and also the pink powder. So whichever suits you the best, you can go for it. But oh my god, this literally gives you that airbrush look. Like once you set your makeup with it, firstly it doesn't budge at all. Like once you set it, it's set for real. Like this one time I did my makeup like really early in the morning around 10 o'clock, and I had like events back to back, and I think I came back at 12, and even then my makeup was like just so good. I cannot even tell you. And every single time I like have this powder on, I usually get a lot of compliments, or people always tell me that my makeup is looking damn good. This powder is definitely worth the hype, and I know that it is a little costly, but again, worth every single penny that you would invest. It's just amazing, so good. Definitely go for it, and yeah, love it. Next up we have Lakme lipsticks. Now these products, actually this particular shade went super viral, which is the Nude Twist and the Nude Dream. I have both of them, and I think this was supposed to be like lipsticks under 300, and everyone was talking about it, so I had to get my hands on them and try it out. And oh my god, these are just the perfect lipsticks and extremely long lasting. If you are on a lookout for like really nice brown lipstick, like an everyday brown lipstick, this is the lipstick that you should go for, which is the Nude Twist. And this is like a really nice mauvey color. Swatch it right here for you so you guys can see it for yourself, the shades. But oh my god guys, the formula is amazing, and I have been wearing this Nude Twist non-stop. I cannot even tell you the number of compliments I get every single time I wear it. It's so beautiful. So this shade right here, the first one is the Nude Dream, the second one, the brown shade, is the Nude Twist, and this is what it looks like. If you are on a lookout for everyday lipstick for office wear or college wear, these are great. The shade range is also amazing, but these two are my absolute favorite and too good. Then for makeup, I have the Lakme Micellar range. Now I have been seeing so many people talk about them on the internet, and also some of my friends have been talking about it, so I thought I'll just give it a try. Honestly, I cannot tell you how effective this range is. I love it. It's so good. I like it so much that instead of talking about it, I'm actually going to show you how this performs and how good this actually is. This is the makeup look that I generally wear every day. So first we are going to remove all this makeup off with the Lakme Micellar water. This product works really well for me. It helps remove all of my everyday makeup and all kinds of dirt and impurities without any hassle. I just like to go in with few swipes all over my face, and all of the makeup just melts off effortlessly. It's honestly become such an important part of my routine, and now given how easy it is for your pores to get clogged with this like pure combination of heat and layers of makeup, I try to make sure that I cleanse really well with Lakme Micellar Pure Face Wash to make sure that there is no trace of makeup, dirt or pollutants left behind. Infused with magnetic micelles that go deep into the skin, attracting any excess makeup or sticky impurities like a magnet to cleanse the skin from within, and that's what you call a deep pore cleanse. This way you can make sure all of your makeup is off and there is no chance to get your pores clogged. I mean, that's our prime skincare goal, right? These two products are viral for a reason. I mean, it removes my makeup within minutes, and I have like deeply cleansed skin, and I love it. I think my skincare routine is definitely incomplete without these two products. I'll definitely link them in the description bar below, so go check it out. I'm sure you wouldn't regret it. Add these now. Next up, I have Vaseline's Healthy Bright Gluta Hya Dewy Radiance Serum in a lotion. Now this product went viral for a reason. I think this, everyone was talking about how it's like lotion but in a serum form, and that's for your body, which is something that we really need, especially right now when it's like so hot. And this product works so well. I usually like to carry it to my vacations, and this is perfect because your skin literally like absorbs it. I wouldn't even say within seconds, like milliseconds probably. Like the moment you apply it, it's gone. Like your skin's like absorbed it already, and I love it. And I also really like the nice sheen that I get. It's not extremely hydrating, but it is hydrating for the summers that we have here, and I would highly recommend you check this out. It's supposed to have like I think niacinamide, vitamin C, Glutaglow, and also hyaluronic acid. The best part I like about this is that it's non-sticky and extremely lightweight. So if you're on a lookout for something like that, then go for it. But if you're looking for something hydrating, then this is not the product for you. That's all that I would say, but I like it for the summers. It's good. Product I think was viral thode time pehle, and this is Mario Badescu skincare deodorant. Now why I thought of getting this, and I think why this was viral, was because the claims are like it's aluminum free, it's baking soda free, and paraben free. Also I think it's cruelty free. So that is, I think because of the claims it went viral, but it is really nice, especially for the summers, or even on an everyday basis you can use this deodorant. I wouldn't say if you sweat like a lot, this is not going to take care of it, but at least if you ask me, I would any day prefer to be sweaty than to be stinky. I do not like when people stink, and yeah, this is great to just, you know, control your body odor. So really nice. And it has a very, I wouldn't say it has like an overpowering smell or anything. This is something that I think even if you have a sensitive nose, you can definitely include this in your routine. It has a very nice mild, like a fresh bed sheet or a fresh laundry sort of a smell to it. So that's really good, and I like it. I like this product. That I have is the Wishcare sunscreen body lotion. This has niacinamide, ceramide, carrot seed, and raspberry. It also has SPF of 50 PA+++. This is supposed to be like a sunscreen body lotion. So as I said, like if you are just indoors, you can go for this, but if you are stepping outdoors, and if you need, like if you are going for a beach vacation, or you know you're going to be out in the sun a lot, this is a great product to include in your routine. And I would say that this is nice, but I do find it a little heavy, as I said. Or maybe it's just that right now there's heat wave and the heat is only so much. Even the most lightweight product can feel really heavy, so I can't really tell, but to me I do find it thoda sa heavy. Could be because it's like a sunscreen body lotion. I think that's like my only problem with this particular product. Other than that, I think it's a great product to include it in your routine. Then the next thing that I want to talk about is the scalp massager. Also, there are like a lot of tools, right? There is like Washa and the the ice roller and whatnot. Those also went viral with that. This was also quite viral. Every single time they say when you you know, do chumpy, you're supposed to like massage your scalp with a scalp exfoliator or just like a scalp massager. This works both as a massager and exfoliator. I think it works really well in my opinion. You don't necessarily have to buy it. Your fingers can also do the job, or if you have your mom or nani, someone to give you chumpy, I mean that works any day better than this. But yeah, if you still need that little bit of like, you know, TLC, then you should definitely look into it. I don't think so that you need this product in your routine, like you can do without it, but if you want, then go for it. It's nice. I like it sometimes you know, when I'm in the mood. But yeah, so I guess those are all the products that I wanted to talk to you guys about. Let me know what did you think of this video, and if you find it helpful, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.